Hello Gucci team and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are trying to convince our daughter to wear Nigerian outfits. Oh my goodness. Daddy, did you see how she's looking?
Look like my clothes, my masquerade.
Do you want me to show you on the TV how it looks when they wear it? It's a serious matter, guys. It looks so beautiful on you, girl. Your choice is so beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. Let me on this light.
This one is better than that. No, this one is more.
Wow. Adrian, but you have to fit one of those though.
You see, this you can wear.
Let me see your front side. It looks so beautiful.
Yeah, go to the party, just like that.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Black skin, exactly. You know.
I invited some young ladies like from where is that store, Daddy? They came to the party. They went online to look for some tops. Oh, this is so beautiful. Go and wear the green one. Let's see how it's going to be. So beautiful.
It's too straight.
Oh man.
Too straight.
See, you need a tailor to just
Take it in.
You want it a little bit.
A little bit tight.
Fit around to show the little bit of hips I got.
Yeah, she has to have it tight so that. Let me see the back though.
It's just like,
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, find a tailor that can just make it fit you. This is so beautiful.
take it in.
Make it in so you bring your shape out.
Yeah, it has to bring out her shape. I know what she's saying.
You say just flat, right?
Yeah. Just like a gown.
But it's very beautiful. You look like a model. Ooh, you look like a model, girl. You look like a model.
You don't like the one.
No, it should have just been this all the way down.
This is the beauty of it.
I know, but I don't like that.
Ooh, Adrian, no, you're going to mess it up. If you don't want it, give it to me.
But this going down, yes. Like if this would have just went all the way down, straight down, it would have been fine.
Turn back, let me see. This is so beautiful. Just a little bit hold here, a little bit hold here. Oh, Adrian, that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it, girl. Ooh, Daddy, this is so beautiful. She took some outfits and she left the ones she doesn't like. Don't try American children. We tried though. Women are very incredible. I don't know why they do that for real. We're going to be making some toast bread. This is another beautiful day, guys. My husband and I are just gisting, trying to make some good breakfast. This is called avocado spread. It's a sandwich, very healthy with some toast bread. Good morning, guys, and I hope you all are doing good. Yes, it's a beautiful morning. My grandbaby is here. So guys, I'm feeling blessed as a grandmom. I am grateful to God. So I am making this delicious breakfast. It's one of our favorite sandwich. I haven't showed you guys this. And yeah, I choose to show you this morning because I'm feeling blessed. So stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. And I'm sorry about the background of this video. My hubby and I, we are just gisting. Anytime we are all home, this is what we do to catch up. Yes, and we give ourselves good time. We enjoy every bit of it. All right, can you hear that crunchy? Yes, yum yum yum. Yes, I like to toast my bread and enjoy it this way. Can you see the egg? I decided to break my egg into a boiled egg. You can enjoy it with boiled egg, trust me, or fried egg if you like, but I decided to go in with boiled egg, and this is really yummy. And then we are catching up, gisting, watching TV and just enjoying our morning. It's going to be a lot on this vlog. Please enjoy this and give it a thumbs up. Okay, we have tea here. I'm sipping it with my tea. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. enjoy and give me a massive thumbs up. Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
my grandbaby is here. Daddy. Papa.
Movie I will know, eh? Drama queen. Oh, no, look at
Papa.
Don't worry, I have pizza food.
Say hi. Say hello. Daddy, say hello. Say hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Daddy, say hello. Papa. Say hello.
Hello?
Say hello. Say hello. Daddy Mo. Say hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
My mom, my mother-in-law.
Hello, everyone.
Grandma.
Say hello. Hello. Look at you smiling. Daddy, say hello.
You smile at it.
I love you, baby. I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa. Papa. Daddy. You need to start eating okra soup. Okra soup. We need to start making him some okra. Daddy. Like again a show look. He hears everything. Onye ka na-ekwu ya na-ele. Onye ka na-ekwu ya na-ele. And mmiri ga-eme ya na-anyụ shi ọfụma. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be prepping this fish. I'll be sharing this into two. I have stew. I don't have protein in my stew, so I'm going to be using part of this for my stew. I'm going to grill it, and then I'll use part of it for maybe ogbono soup, like very quick ogbono soup, because I don't have any soup at all in the house. So I just brought this out from the freezer. I'm going to add some water and allow it to defrost. So I'm just going to run water through this. I'll allow it to defrost. So I'll grill this, and then we make our soup. I want to make a very quick ogbono soup. You know I like ogbono soup, and this is hubby's favorite ogbono soup. We have eaten a lot of egusi soup since we came back. I've made egusi like 2 times now, but ogbono soup 1, okra 1. Yeah, I'm going to make another ogbono soup with mackerel fish. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clean our fish. I've cut the fish to the sizes of my choice. I'm going to wash it out with hot water and salt. I added some vinegar water. So I'm going to put this water on the stove, and it's going to cook for about 5 minutes before we add it to the fish. So I just went in with lemon. You can also go in with lime if you like. This is just to get rid of the smell from mackerel fish. 7 minutes later, I'll add the water to the fish. Just keep adding until you have added all your water. Have you used this hot water method for your fish? This will help to get rid of any odor you have in your fish, whatever fish that you choose to do this with. I'm going to go in with my fish, guys. Okay, I have a recipe on how to grill your mackerel fish. It's on my channel, you can look it up. This is just me making something for our empty stew and soup. Here is the second tray. I'm going to set it in the oven, allow it to cook, and then we're going to check the thing. Our fish have been nicely grilled. I just left it because I was busy with so many things. This is our mackerel fish. Yeah. Whenever I get it ready like this, I use it for several recipes. I've used quite a lot of it though. Let's open the next one. Yeah. We have eaten a lot of it. You can see all those space. Those are the ones we ate. Yeah, I did some recipes that I use some of the mackerels. Okay, that is what I do. Whenever I make this, I just use it for other recipes. I'll just save the remaining for recipes. That's what I do actually. So this is what we did today. I'll put some of them in anything I cook if I want. So that's how I go about it. So this is something you can do. All right. So fam, this is another day. Yeah, so I decided to make stewed beans, and here I am making the stew, just adding up everything together. And yeah, let's make stewed beans. This is one of my husband's favorites, and he said I should make him this. I hope you all have been doing good. Yeah, stew beans is something that we all love to eat in this house, and very easy, very quick. The beans has been pre-cooked. All we needed to do is just to make the stew and add it in. I think I cooked the beans a day before today. Yeah, I cooked the beans yesterday as soon as I had time. And yeah, our beans is already cooked with the plantain, just to mix the stew in. This is the quickest thing I can just do after a very busy day. Our stew is ready. Have you loved this video already? Please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. Do you like beans porridge? Let me know in the comment section. Or do you just like to make your beans with plantain? Some people don't like beans. I don't know why. Beans is a very healthy meal for me. Yep. Beans and plantain is one of our favorites because of my hobby. He likes beans and plantain. Like, give him beans and plantain in his best day. Hobby likes beans and plantain, and I like to make a delicious one for him. That's why I made the fish, because you can use the fish to enjoy this deliciousness. See how yummy this beans is looking. I use black eyed peas. I like black eyed peas a lot. Black eyed peas, oloyin beans, they are one of my mother's favorite. And akidi, oh my goodness, this is so good. Very delicious beans. Yeah, we're going to be adding some of the fishes to this remaining sauce. The sauce is not so much, but I'm going to manage it just to have stew on the fish. I already mixed the fish in stew. The tiny bit stew, do you know I managed it? You saw that tiny bit stew, right? Yes. So we're going to allow it to steam for just 60 seconds. So the stew and the fish can get to know each other, even though the stew is not a lot. But yeah, I like to, just make some peppered. I can use this fish for any other thing, not just only for this beans. The rest can go into the fridge. I can also use it for any recipe at any time. Yeah, so we have lunch. This beans is so delicious. Very delicious beans, guys. Very yum. Very yum, very yum, very yum. We're gonna dish. I hope you're gonna give this a try. This can be used for lunch. It can be used for dinner, depending on how you have prepared it. Some people say they used to have heartburn when they eat beans, but I don't think I've ever, experienced such. Probably because of the way I like to go about my beans preparation. I like to first of all parboil my beans in hot water, rinse it out, and cook properly until it is very cooked. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Just look at that. Just look at that, guys. Isn't this delicious? Your eyes is already eating, huh? Yum. Now I'm gonna take one fish. Just one. It's fine. Good to say one. Two actually. Two should be enough, and this is how it's served. Try this, guys. Please turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to see our videos when we upload. This is also children-friendly meal, very healthy, very delicious, quick and very easy to cook. This is it. Very delicious, very healthy. Could you still be loving, be kind, be merciful? God loves the merciful heart. What I have here, I have Gary here. I love this combo, guys. Let me know in the comment section if it's something you like too. I'm gonna be enjoying this with some tea. Yeah, it's very cold here, guys. Very cold. So I take tea now like almost every other day. I crave for this and I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you all so much and God bless you abundantly. Ciao, ciao. See you in another beautiful